welcome to a new video on my channel. This is Nada, your friend and English teacher at the same time. Today is a short video about studying tips. I'm gonna talk in general. It's not about English language, and I hope you follow till the end. In order to study productively, you need to figure out more about yourself, which means what type of learners you are. You need to know this. Whether you are visual, auditory, writing, and kinesthetic learner. Which of these four is where you fit in? It's very important because to know how to study well, you're gonna use those techniques that you like to apply. It is the foundation of everything I'm going to talk about. The second thing I'm gonna tell you is like the obvious thing ever is to actually go to class and pay attention. Yeah, I know it's not the best thing you want to do. It can be boring as shit, but if you skip classes, you can take notes the way you need to. You can be involved in the discussion that leads you to pick up some information too. So whether you want to go to these classes or if they are required, they are gonna affect your GPA all the same. Come on, let's be honest. I skip classes too, and then I try to read the lectures PDF or the PowerPoint online, and I'm like, I don't want to do this. I feel like I learn the best when I'm physically there. You need to define what kind of learners you are, then you can actually start taking notes. That can define the way you learn the best, when you focus and pay attention. The fourth thing I need you to know is taking a good notes matter. Yes, you should know how to take your notes. If you actively retaining info, then you are learning. Not like if you are a one night far from the exam where you reteach yourself everything. That's far. That's not what you want to do. That's what all-nighters do as a college student, and I don't like to have to reteach myself all materials the night before the exam. In situations like that, your stress level goes up to the roof, and that impedes your ability to retain informations. Point I should mention is the studying technique. If you have an exam, of course you need to study. Take into account these things: the time of the day, whether it's day or night, the atmosphere, the place you're staying, wherever you are, the vibes, and where you feel the most comfortable. Those are very important, like the lights, the warmth of the room, the noises, whether you like to put on some music or not. Those are really matter. Not feeling comfy about your study area affect on how you're studying, so choosing a better place or fixing your current one is a great solution. The third thing I should mention is the studying technique. Study technique is the actual study, and for reading and writing type, it's the study notebook, where you summarize your class notes, book lessons into a simpler version of boxes and circles, or wherever you feel it's adequate for you to revise from and actually understand better. With colors, shapes, highlighters, and stuff can actually fix and organize and ease those informations for you. Set up your own system of displaying the infos like I've said before. Be creative with your own visual notes. If I'm just reading my class notes again, I will be just zoning out thinking about everything else on the planet. Whereas if I'm physically writing my own notes and coloring main ideas and all, that keeps me focused and engaged as possible and being to retain that info better. So obviously a personal technique I use, but I made this video as a kind of a guide so you could follow along. But to do this on your own way and how you feel about what's going to work and what's not. That said, I really hope you like this video. Hopefully at least it helped one person who watched this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, press like, subscribe, and forward it everywhere. Have a nice day.